Alright, let's dive into the chaotic world of applying the four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, to integers, decimals, and fractions, both positive and negative. It's like a mathematical circus. You're the ringmaster trying to keep all the numbers from running wild. Integers, the whole numbers with attitude. Addition, which is positive plus positive equals positive. Simple, right? Like adding sunshine to sunshine. Negative plus negative equals negative. Like -5 plus -3 equals -8. It's like adding debt to debt. Positive plus negative. Think of it as a tug of war. If the positive number is bigger, the result is positive. If the negative number is bigger, the result is negative. Bit like life, really. Subtraction. Subtracting a positive is like adding a negative. So 5 minus 3 equals 5 plus -3 equals 2. And subtracting a negative is like adding a positive. Double negatives cancel each other out, like two wrongs making a right, in the weird world of maths. Multiplication and division. Same sign equals a positive result, different signs make a negative result. Sort of like the world, really. Then you've got decimals, which are just fractions in disguise, and sometimes quite badly as well. So addition and subtraction, line up the decimal points. It's like aligning your ducks in a row, and then follow the same rule as integers. Multiplication multiplies if they were whole numbers. Count the total number of decimal places in their factors. Put that many decimal places in the product. Division, if the divisor, the number you're dividing it by, is a decimal, move the decimal point to the right to make it a whole number. Move the decimal point in the dividend, the number being divided, the same number of places, then divide as normal. Follow the same rules for integers as for positive and negative results. Fractions, the aristocrats of numbers. Addition and subtraction. Find a common denominator. It's like getting everyone to agree on the same currency. Add or subtract the numerators, keeping the denominator the same. For mixed numbers, convert them to improper fractions first, or add the whole number parts and the fraction parts separately. Follow the same rules as integers for positive and negative results. Some things never change. Multiplication. Multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. It's like a fraction party. For mixed numbers, you need to convert them to improper fractions first, just to give you that little bit of extra work to do. Follow the same rules for positive and negative results. Division. Invert the second fraction and multiply it. It's like a fraction flip-flop. For mixed numbers, again, you've got to convert them to improper fractions first. And then I don't know why I'm saying this, but follow the same rules as integers for positive and negative results. For mixed numbers, again, convert to improper fractions before multiplying or dividing. Convert mixed numbers to improper fractions, numerator greater than the denominator. Addition and subtraction, you've got to convert them to improper fractions, find a common denominator, and then add or subtract. Or add and subtract the whole numbers and fractions separately, then simplify. Negative fractions and decimals, same rules for positive and negative integers apply when dealing with fractions and decimals. Now go forth and conquer those mathematical operations, or just use a calculator, but where's the fun in that?